How to check deleted apps on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the App Store application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your profile on the top right corner. Apple account is the personal account you use to access Apple services like iCloud, the App Store and other Apple online stores, iMessage, and FaceTime, and to access your content across all your devices and the web. Next, find and tap on the app option. To find apps that you've deleted, tap on the Not on this iPhone tab at the top of the screen. This will show the list of the applications that you have previously downloaded but are currently uninstalled or deleted on your device. If you want, you can also reinstall the app by simply tapping the cloud icon with a downward arrow next to its name. Following these steps, you can easily check deleted apps on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.